Next is drop and go start. This combination of stretching and also a movement, a running movement from here up to 20 meters. We're going to run, okay? So for this exercise, we need to drop first and then we'll go run for 20 meters. By doing the drop, place your hands in front of your feet, okay? Just like a frog. But always keep in mind that I will do this with bracing my core. Okay? And then drop like planking position or push up, starting position. Push up, down your chest to the ground, up, moving back, and ready to run. Okay? So by running, it's up to you if you have right leg to move first or left leg. It's up to you. Again, let's do it. Ready? Drop and go. Start and drop. Up and right.